Have you ever wondered how to monitor your room's environment in real time? Here's a simple DIY project using Raspberry Pi. We start by wiring up DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor and LCD screen into the GPIO pins. And just like that, live temperature and humidity readings start updating on the LCD screen every 3 seconds.